In today's video, we will be discussing Physics 251 Video Explainer Problem 40. So what we want to do when approaching this problem is look for a relationship between some of the variables described. I notice here velocity, position, and what seems to be time as well. So a helpful relationship between these three variables is going to be the position equals the integral of velocity with respect to time. From here, we're going to plug our velocity equation into this integral here for respect to time, and we're now going to perform this integral. So from here, we get 1/3 times k times t cubed plus c. From here, we're going to be plugging in our t sub 0 and x sub 0 values into the equation to solve for c. So here we have -9 meters equals 1 divided by 3 k 0 cubed plus c. And of course this is 0, so we're left with -9 equals c. From here we're going to plug back into this equation and I'm going to plug in our c value here. -9. And from here, we're going to plug in our t sub 1 and x sub 1 values to solve for k. So now we have 9 equals 1 divided by 3 k 3 cubed minus 9. And a little bit of algebra here, we get 9 equals 1 divided by 3 times k times 27 minus 9. And still solving for k, we end up with 9 plus 9k minus 9 to 18 equals 9k. And we are left with 2 equals k. All right, so we have k, but where do we go from here? So we're going to be looking for the units for this constant, which will help give us the velocity of this particle described in this function. So if we notice here, we have meters per second. And if we notice here, we have t squared. So for t squared, since the SI unit for time is seconds, we can draw this similarity here. So we have t squared equals s squared, the second squared. So now we need to find something that we could multiply second squared by to get meters per second, because that is what we want to end up with here. So if we had s squared, we could multiply s squared by meters per second cubed in order to get meters per second. Therefore, the answer to this problem would give us k equals 2 meters per second cubed. All right, thank you very much for watching.